this video, we'll see how to make money with WarriorPlus. It is basically an affiliate marketing platform. WarriorPlus has a lot of offers on its platform, and you can promote each one of them. And of course, for each one of those, you will receive the commission. But if you're new to WarriorPlus, this video will show you how to create an account, how to find good offers, how to promote those offers, and how to get your affiliate link. And also at the end of the video, I'll show you some tips and tricks which are going to be perfect for beginners. So first of all, go over to WarriorPlus. Just Google for it. You can just do it like this, and then it's going to be the first result, WarriorPlus.com. Now, when you're on their main page of their website, they're not really too clear on what the actual website is. It just gives you some corporate rubbish, to be honest, which doesn't really tell you anything. What you want to do is just click on free sign up, or just sign up free here. And then all you need, username, password, email address. You'll have to verify your account. And when you first log on, you'll be taken here to what they call the dashboard. So here on the dashboard, you've got a couple of different segments. You've got the top products, as you can see right here, and it's separated for today, yesterday, last 7 days, and the last 30 days. Some of these products just stay in top products because some of these products by some vendors just convert insanely well. And we'll get on to that in a second because I'll talk about conversions, conversion rate, and how much commission and how much crazy commission you can get with these WarriorPlus affiliate things. So we're here on the last 7 days now, and you can see that this product is top product for the last 7 days. It's called Agency Arbitrage Mastery. Now, if you just go over and hover on these awards, let's call them awards, you can see that this vendor is in top 1%. The next one is that he's a superstar vendor. The next one is that this is top 10% affiliate and elite affiliate, and vendor has 17 featured offers. You can click to view all of these. Now, if you click on this one, it'll not take you to be an affiliate, but instead, it'll take you to the sales page. And this is where you can actually go and buy this product, all right? So how I built a $1 million agency by flipping all the work to others. So this is essentially teaching other people how to get some money when they use this legit leads program, software, whatever it is. And this is the sales page. You're not interested in that other than just getting some information. Now, if you want to promote this product, you can go ahead and find that later. I'll just cover that in a second. But first of all, let's go back to the dashboard, and here you will find all the offers. As you can see, go to affiliate. You will have this drop-down menu. Click on the offers and just open this in a new tab because I like to have dashboard opened. And this is where you've got all of these offers. As you can see, there's more than 4,000 of these offers. But here, what is the most important thing is that you got some information here about every single offer. So you've got release date, you've got sales, you've got conversion rates, visitor value, the average sale, and the refund rate. Now, there are a couple of things that you have to consider when you choose yourself the offer that you want to promote. What I always look first is the refund rate. All right. Now, 0 is obviously the best it can be. 1 is also good. 3 is good, 6 is even good, but there are some of these that are like 8% and even more than 10%, which actually means people are buying it. The sales page is really, really good, but it doesn't do what it says at all, right? And people are just refunding it. This is bad, 14%. Way bad. So you will get the commissions, but people are just going to make refund, and yeah, you're not going to make any money. So make sure it's got a decent refund rate. Don't pick the 1 over, let's say, 6, all right? 6 is okay. 7 is also maybe okay. So that's tip number 1. Now, you can also see the visitor value. Now, visitor value tells you essentially how much each visitor is worth. Here, the visitor value is just based on averages across all of the traffic, how much each visitor is worth. But of course, it is good to choose the offer that has high visitor value, such as this one, for example. This is the best one, and it's actually the one that we saw on top products. But if you go back to the dashboard and you want to promote one of these, all you got to do is to copy the name of it, and then you'll just paste it here on the affiliate page. I know that this one is here, but if it's not, just paste the name there and click on search, and then you will find it, as you can see. Agency Arbitrage Mastery. So here you can see visitor value, conversion rate, 18%, refund rate, really, really good. Average sale is also good. all you gotta do now is to click on the request button. So this means that you can't just get on here and promote any product. You have to request approval, and it gets approved pretty much within 15 minutes because the vendors can see all my previous sales, they can see all of my traffic, but I started from zero, right? And what do you need to do to get approved for some of these offers? You just need to give them a general, like 4 lines explanation of how you're going to promote their offer. For me, I basically say to them, okay, I've got a YouTube channel with this subscriber count, and I'm going to use videos in order to lead the traffic to these offers. And then as soon as you get approved for one of these, and all it takes is one, and you send some sales to that offer, you then have sales on your account, and you'll be able to get approved to all of them. This is how it looks like. You just make, like, as I've told you, 4 lines. You don't need more. Now, what you're gonna see on these here, you see the price range, and it's pretty broad because they upsell things all the time. And you can see your commission structure. So anywhere between $148 to $700 for each one of those sales. As I've told you, this can be really crazy, but you gotta work on it, just like anything else. Of course, you already know which traffic source you're gonna use. If you're a beginner, just start with what already you have. And once you do get the sales, how can you withdraw the money from WarriorPlus? Now, if you go back to WarriorPlus, any page, just click on this icon here, and then just go over to W Plus Wallet. All right, so W Plus Wallet, this is your wallet. And if you click on withdraw, you will have some things to do. You have to fill out this form, and this is going to be different based on from which country you're coming from. I just suggest follow the rules from your country. You can just use PayPal, for example, or any other method that they support, and you will have all of your offers listed down, but you will have pending time. There's like 30 days pending time for most of these offers, and that's just the way it is. I know some of you might not like this, but when you do stack up a lot of these offers, you will have a full page here. And then in 30 days, you will have something to withdraw like almost each day. Just make sure that you choose the product which is actively converting. In fact, just choose one of the top products for today, yesterday, last 7 days. Or choose a product from a vendor who has mastered the sales page. These products convert so well because the vendors know what they're doing. They know psychology, and they know how to convert visitors into sales. Number 2, when you choose the product, make sure it has a low refund rate. We've talked about it. Otherwise, you're just going to make all of this money and it's going to get refunded. It hurts. And number 3, just be patient with it. Be dedicated. Embrace the work. Get some sales under your belt. It can be hard, especially when you're just starting out. But once you do get a couple of sales, double down on that method. And then it's just a numbers game. Be consistent. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll catch you in the next one. Wish you good luck.